This is a 1966 Ford Custom two-door sedan. Air conditioning. It was original from the factory. That's a replacement compressor. 352 cubic inch engine. Very nicely done engine compartment. White exterior. Beautiful chrome. Car is very plain, being the base sedan, but that engine certainly makes it a sleeper. There's the dog dish hubcaps. You get to see the interior of the trunk too, and the interior is a nice shade of blue. Looks like it's original type. We've got a tack there attached to the steering column, automatic transmission. Some extra gauges underneath the dash. Original pattern here, it looks like. Very nice condition. Squared off design, really. It's that Thunderbird look. And notice the size of that trunk. Very, very big. Plus you've got the spare tire there on a ledge, so it's out of the way. There are the jacking instructions for the car. Those were the days when at least some cars could be lifted using slots in the bumper. I think lots of people would be surprised by the performance of this car, thinking it might have a 6-cylinder engine or the base V8. Very, very clean car.